Welcome to my channel. This is Ankita Agrawal. Today we are going to learn how to print a odd and even number in a array in Java. Basically, when we have to find out that a given number is a even number or an odd number, so what we have to do, if the number is divisible by 2 and the answer is or the remainder is 0, then we say that the particular number is divisible by 2, or in the terms of odd and even, that particular number is even, otherwise it is odd. So over here I have made a class array ascending. So we'll start over here. What we have to first do is that we have to assign a array in which we will be storing some numbers, and then over here I will be making an array by the name of int p. Okay, maybe we'll store 1, 3, 5 or 4, 2 and 12. Maybe these are the elements we are going to store. So now first we are going to print all of them. System.out. First we are going to print the odd numbers. So basically for the odd numbers, what we have to do is we will run a loop that will be starting from index 0 till the a length, or basically over here a length means array length. So over here is p length. So p dot le. So I have told you for the even number it has to be divisible by 2 and the remainder should be 0. Then only it will be, otherwise in another case it will be not divisible. So for that we have to use I think you should be aware that there the term modulus means when the remainder will come 0, because if it is an even number it will be divisible. For odd it's not divisible, so we have to write down not equal to 0. Okay, and then we can say that the particular number is, okay, over here we have to write down int, okay, system.out println. So a of I. So when we will do like this, what will happen over here, it will print that particular index of a number. Okay, so now in another case so we could have even use over here what do we say as if else, but I am showing it to you how you can do like another way also. So we'll be running and seeing what will happen. So let's run and see. need to understand the code. Basically, first we have initialized the array, then we are printing the odd numbers. We have run a for loop till the end of an array, and then we are saying if that particular number, if we are dividing it by 2 and if it is not equal to 0, then it is an odd number. And again for the even number we are doing it the same way. We are writing a for loop, and if that particular number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is coming 0, then that particular number is divisible. So let's run the file. So you can see the odd numbers are 1, 3 and 5, and for the even numbers they are 4, 2 and 12. So this is the way we can run a code of printing the odd and even numbers in the same program. Okay, so thanks for viewing my channel. In the next video we will be covering maybe about the two-dimensional array. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.